Hey everyone, this is Derek from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Once again, guys, wow, it's coming, guys. We could be seeing some parabolic moves coming for crypto markets, coming for Bitcoin, coming for Dogecoin, smash Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin, guys. Maybe that could be a new token, right? We call it Dogecoin, right? So sometimes I call Bitcoin Buttcoin. So maybe there's two new tokens out there. So guys, we're going to be talking about that and what happened. Looks like the broader markets had one of their best days ever in 2023 as stocks rallied, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much more, guys. So some interesting news. We've got some Dogecoin news as well, guys. Some very good support levels, resistance levels, and we can see where Doge is moving. So right now, looks like cryptocurrency is doing not too bad. Also, we're going to be talking about DXY death cross, guys. That we saw the death cross happening for DXY, and what does that mean to crypto? What does that mean to you and me out there? So we're going to be talking about that. So it's going to be a cool video, guys and gals. It is Saturday morning here in Vietnam, and it is a look. It's a pretty kind of like rainy day out there. And it is cold. It's 21 degrees Celsius, guys, and it's winter time. The winter chill is on, guys. So let's jump in and remember. None of this is financial advice. And also, guys, Dogecoin 111 555 for the community, and also for the haters and the trolls out there. Read between the lines. That's all I got to say about that. I had a troll in my live stream yesterday, who said that we're spreading misinformation, all that kind of stuff. So we're not doing that. So right now, we're seeing the fear and greed index is at 25 right now. So a little bit of extreme fear. That's kind of interesting. I wasn't expecting that. I was thinking that most of the markets should be going up because the broader markets are good. So that's kind of weird and wacky. Let's take a look at what's going on with the U.S. markets yesterday. The U.S. markets actually did pretty good. Stocks print their first big rally of 2023 as hope grows that inflation will ease. So that is good, guys. Absolutely good. We saw the Dow Jones up 2%. We saw S&P up whopping 2.28%, and we saw the Nasdaq was up as well. So that is pretty good. So there's more hope out there that inflation could be easing. Looks like crypto exchange. I'm gonna sneeze. Ready? Excuse me. It looks like crypto exchange Hobei has laid off 20% of its staff. And I did talk about that. Most of you know this already, but it's concerning because people are saying, could this be the next exchange that's going to collapse? Could this be the next FTX that's going to happen? So we'll have to wait and see what's happening with that. But it looks like Hobei is not doing too good right now. So if it collapses, it's not going to have much of an impact. But it looks like the Seychelles-based company is one of the largest crypto exchanges globally, handling about 370 million of trading volumes on a single day, according to data from CoinGecko. Now, I think I have a couple tokens on Hobei, so I need to get it off there as well. So if you do have any tokens on Hobei or anything, I suggest you move it. You move it, guys. You move it to a hardware wallet. I would recommend doing that. So it looks like Hobei's native HT token has at one point sank as low as $4.35 on Friday, down more than 7%. So it comes as floods of investors have piled out of centralized exchanges. And also the other thing we're seeing that more and more, crypto investors, what they're doing is they're actually moving most of their cryptos off of centralized exchanges, and they're moving to custodial wallets like hardware wallets or software wallets. So we are seeing more of that. We are seeing more and more people are moving their crypto from centralized exchanges. And I mean that's overall, it's a recommendation that I think it's wise to do that at this point. Remember, even though you're a big exchange, it doesn't mean that you are not, you're not immune to some catastrophic event out there. So, guys, be careful out there. Absolutely be careful. I just can't stress enough. Don't get burned, guys. Absolutely don't get burned. We've seen it happen. So it's interesting. We did see that BTC did touch $1,700 today, so that was good. Good. We're slightly down a little bit. It's almost neutral out there. Ethereum pumped a little bit. It went up almost 1.2%. So that is pretty good. It's come down a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it. Now, interestingly, we're seeing that we've had this huge death cross for the U.S. dollar out there, and we can see that the U.S. dollar has tanked like 1% today. So that is interesting news. So what does that mean for you and me for crypto? So The US dollar death cross is bullish for Bitcoin. So today the dollar index saw a death cross. On its daily time frame, Bitcoin is an asset trading engagement is especially susceptible to the strength and weakness of the greenback. So as the dollar, typically as the dollar strengthens, Bitcoin price will go down. As the dollar weakens, the Bitcoin price will go up. So that is good for us. So Bitcoin, going on and on. So there's this death cross. What does it mean for USD? Well, the DXY is USD trading against a weighted baskets. And, some of the currencies it's trading against like Euro, GP Pound, JPY. Although it doesn't include Bitcoin, Bitcoin appears to be especially sensitive to the golden death crosses in the DXY. The death cross occurs, in case you guys don't know, when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. That's what that is all about. So, that is pretty good, guys. So Bitcoin gets 359% boost on average. History shows that when comparing 2015 today, the DXY has a death cross and it gained a total of a grand total of 6, guys. So far there's been a grand total of 6 death crosses, including today's. These 3 such crosses took place in 2015, 2017. 2 more took place in 2020, and just ahead of the next recent bull run. So this is kind of interesting. Across the 5 signals since 2015, the bear market bottom, Bitcoin price climbed over 359%. 3 weakest signals resulted in between 64 and 120% in each day. Saw plenty of volatility at the front and back of each rally. So this is actually good for Bitcoin. So hopefully this will be another indicator, guys, that the bull run is coming. It's absolutely coming, guys. It's absolutely coming. I'm going to be showing you more evidence out there. So this death cross is also a pretty good indicator that the bull run could be coming, and we could see some nice reversals. So today for Bitcoin, for itty bitty Bitcoin, we did see that Bitcoin right now is at 16,990, just shy. And yesterday we did print as high as $17,200. So we did get back up 17,000. Once we did hit the $17,000 area, there was a lot of people that took profit and did cash out. So, but we can see that if you take a look at the trend line for Bitcoin, it's looking very good, guys. So hopefully we'll get ourselves back. We need to get ourselves above 17,500 to confirm that the bulls are going to be taking over. So that's good, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap. See what's going on, guys. We're up 0.7%, so it's nice to have a green day. So it is Saturday here. So when you guys wake up, happy weekend, guys. Happy weekend. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up on the hourly, daily, weekly. Ethereum is up on the hourly, daily, weekly as well. 1270, guys. I think we're getting pretty close to $1,300 out there. BNB is up. Cardano is up as well. Doge is up 1% right now, and Doge that's 0.7282. I think we'll probably get ourselves up to 0.30. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin has been doing pretty good. Despite all of the volatility of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin has kind of been holding its own. It's acting like a bit of a stable coin out there. So it's still Dogecoin has slid down to the 8th and 9th spot, unfortunately, on Coin Market Cap. It just got knocked out by Cardano. It's kind of weird though, because the total market cap of Cardano right now is less than Dogecoin. So why is it number 8? I don't know, but it looks like Cardano and Dogecoin are fighting it out. But it's coming, guys. It's coming. Absolutely parabolic move. News-wise, Cardano whales start with 2003 with accumulation trend, could be bullish for ADA. So we are seeing that more whales are starting to accumulate Cardano now. So this could actually be a good time to possibly ape in, right? So Cardano whales have sold over 569 million ADA during this time. The result was more selling pressure on the digital global asset. But however, we are starting to see that more and more whales are starting to pick up more of the Cardano. Crypto whales move over $670 million with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Curve. Here's what is all going on. Where is it all going? So it looks like deep pocket investors are suddenly moving hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 3 other altcoins. New data from Whale Alert finds that deep pocket traders have moved almost $315 million worth of the King crypto in 2 separate transactions. The first transaction was on January 4th. A whale moved 9,251 Bitcoin worth about $155 million, guys. And there was another transaction worth about 15,400 and so on. So moving on to the leading smart contract platform, Whale Alert finds that there's been a whole ton of Ethereum moved as well, guys. So that's kind of interesting, guys, that the whales are actually on the move. Now, we don't know if they didn't sell it. It seems that they were moving and reshuffling and rebalancing their portfolios. So it looks like the whales are waking up. A little more activity is happening, guys. So that is pretty good. And we're also seeing that analyst firm sentiment issues crypto market warning says to be treading carefully after this vital matrix flashes red. So what this matrix is that right now we're seeing that a lot more people. Crypto social platforms have just flashed the highest sign of euphoria since November. So what is happening is that the sentiment of crypto is starting to flash the other way. It's starting to flash positive. Now, this is usually a good sign, because when we start to have, more and more euphoria and more people talking about it, this is often signs of euphoria and FOMO. And when we have more FOMO happening, often that is when the retail investors get back in. So we're seeing a lot of retail investors have kind of been absent, kind of been, they've stepped out, stepped away. But it looks like the retail investors are starting to pile back in now. So that is good, guys. That is absolutely going to fuel. And remember, it's coming, guys. January 26th, it's coming, guys. It's absolutely coming. Like I said, something's going to happen. Something big's going to happen end of January, guys. So get ready. I keep talking about it. I absolutely keep talking about that. This is very positive news. Justin MasterCard to launch program for music artists built on the Polygon blockchain. Web3 is going to be big, guys. And also on Bitcoin, we're seeing textbook Adam and Eve bottom for Bitcoin, about time, and Bitcoin finally breaks $1,700, guys. So that is pretty good. So we have this Adam and Eve pattern, and this is bullish, guys. Absolutely bullish. And I think that over this weekend, we're going to see ourselves definitely get above $1,700 and stay there. We need to punch past our 17,500 technical level. So we're going to do it. Guys, once again, we can see that the number of addresses holding 10 plus coins has reached a 2-year high. So this is bullish for Bitcoin. This is bullish for Dogecoin. This is bullish for cryptocurrency. So this is good, guys. We're also seeing the number of addresses holding 1 Bitcoin or more has also reached an all-time high as well. So this is bullish. More evidence out there, guys. Also, guys, withdraw your coins. Withdraw your coins. If you're holding Dogecoin on an exchange, get it off there, get a hardware wallet. And remember, no exchange is too big to fail. As long as you hold on exchange, all your crypto belongs to them. Remember that. If you don't own the keys, you do not own the crypto, guys. So that is very freaking important. What you're holding on exchange is an IOU and a non-binding promise that exchanges will honor. So remember, it's non-binding. So, remember, read the fine print. If the exchanges go bust, you lose your crypto, guys. So get most of it off centralized platforms and get it on a hardware wallet. Like I said, I always talk about Nano Ledger or Tracer Wallet. They're some of the best hardware wallets out there. Absolutely the best security, because they're not connected physically to the internet. And that is good, guys. That is absolutely good, because when it's not connected to the internet, no one can steal your crypto, guys. Keep your seed phrase safe, all that kind of stuff. And if you're wondering where to go and get a Nano Ledger, go to the video description and you'll find a connection over there, guys. So that's great. So we're seeing this also bullish coming in from Mustache. He's saying in the last 11 years, complete history of BTC, the MZ BTC oscillator has managed to identify the bottom range of BTC every time. That's at the green, guys. Let me get my face out of the way. That is at the green here, or the blue signal sign was given. After that, there was always at least a bull run, or at least 2 years of accumulation going up. So that is pretty good. So we are seeing right now that we're seeing this green flashing. We saw it here, here, and here. So this is very interesting that we could be seeing a reversal. And a lot of people are calling that this is the bottom, guys. This is absolutely the bottom. So hopefully we will not go down anymore, guys. So that is pretty good. Also, this is from Titan of Crypto, and he's saying that Bitcoin bottoming area. Bitcoin likes to find its bottom around the 78.6 Fibonacci level. this area is usually where the accumulation phase of the cycle takes place. And we're seeing that here, bottoming, and then we have accumulation, and then we have a upside. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin has been bottoming at this critical Fibonacci level, same as in the past. And after we hit the bottom, we did have a nice rise to the upside. So this is pretty good. Like I said, I think we could be seeing $32,000 to $40,000 Bitcoin coming in this year. So that is huge, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin on the weekly. Looking pretty good right now. Bitcoin on the weekly so far is up about 2.47%. So that is bullish. Right now for Ethereum, the bull flag has absolutely played out a textbook perfect. We have seen that we had this bull flag here, we have broken out, and we are continuing up, and I think we're going to get pretty close to $1,300, guys. So that is pretty good. We've broken out from this downward trend line. Perfect textbook bull flag pattern has formed and broken out. Remember, quarterly bulls have regained levels at 7 cents after testing bottoms at 0.661 for Dogecoin. The price rose above the 200-day moving average levels just before closing the previous day, indicating a revival of the bullish trend. So we are seeing a nice bullish trend right now for Dogecoin. And right now, the price of Dogecoin is making some green moves, guys. So this is pretty good. Our next stop for resistance is 0.94. So I'm feeling confident out there for Dogecoin. Dogecoin aims for an up move. Dogecoin technical is looking pretty good out there. So, we can see that on the daily Bollinger Bands, lack volatility, but MACD and RSI are neutral. Doge price is trading around the support, so it's the right time to invest for short term, guys. So I think, for me, I'm not a short term investor. I'm going to be buying long, guys. In the last 3 months, Doge has formed a triangle pattern with lower highs of 14 to 10 cents. That might suggest a downtrend, but it has been holding the support of 0.7 cents decisively. So we consider that may not break the support. Somehow, Dogecoin is going to pump, guys. So I believe that, the 7 cent has been holding pretty good, and I think this support is going to hold, and I think that we're going to make some moves to the upside. I think that, by January 26th, we could be seeing, 10 cents coming in, guys. So I'm looking for 10 cents by the end of January, guys. What do you guys think about that? Smash the likes. I appreciate it. So once again, let's see who's in the money, who's not in the money right now with the Doge Woozy. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. I appreciate it. So we're seeing that right now. It's kind of weird and wacky, right? We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 0.72785, and it seems that at the 0.71 level or 0.72 level, there's a lot of people who are in profit. Anything below 0.72, it goes down to like 45% in profit. So it looks like 0.72 is a critical area for a lot of the Dogecoin holders to stay above. So this is a key support level, and we are above that support right now of the 7 cents. So that is good, absolutely good out there. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin tokenomics right now. I'm gonna give this minty refresh. We're seeing that we're up about 0.1%, not too shabby. Volumes are down light. A market cap is up to 9.6 billion, and the volumes about 303 billion, down 19.65%. And news-wise, nothing too big. People are still talking about this bond coin. Don't get bunked on the head with that. Looks like it's down by 40%. The bull run finally over for the bond coin, guys. So a lot of this was the bond coin is just basically a FOMO rocket. People went nuts. Some people made some money. Some people didn't. But I think most of euphoria is done. It's done like a donut. So if you got in early and sold at the top, congratulations. If you got in late and still holding, unfortunately, you're holding a bag of poo-poo schmata out there. So it looks like we're still we're still in such sad for Dogecoin. Let's go Doge. Let's take a gander at Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is up right now. It's at a bunch of 0.855. So we need to get above that and get to the 9 level. But looking pretty positive for Shiba Inu, and most of it's been being fueled by the fact that Bitcoin is up. And don't forget, we got the Shiba that's coming out very soon, probably sometime in Q1, and that's going to absolutely pump Shiba Inu. Some people are saying that's going to be like a parabolic move. We could see like 1.5. We could actually be deleting another 0 out there. So that's what we need. We need Shiba Inu to delete another 0, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Wozy, don't forget to go back and watch all my better videos. I appreciate it. And guys, follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to lick the likes. Super thanks down there. Check it out, guys. Support the channel anywhere you want. And if you're wondering where to go to get all the connections, we got the Discord, guys. Speaking about Discord, please guys, you know, watch out for nasty scammers. There's so many scammers out there. You know, this is absolutely insane. The scammer, bammer, whammers are everywhere, guys. So all I gotta say is watch out there. And you know, good morning, everyone. And you can see my handle is the OG Daryl. So if you see the OG Daryl, that is me out there. And but you watch out for nasty scammers. There's scammers are everywhere. So new to industry, man, there are so many scammers and scoundrels. The chat is flooded with grammars, scammer bammers. You know, so watch out, guys. There's a lot. There's a lot, guys. So it looks like all of the OG Daryl member are they scammers I would approach earlier. Got another one. So they're just everywhere, guys. They're everywhere. So it's just pervasive. It's nuts out there. So go back and watch all of my videos. If you're not getting notifications, do go to Discord and join. So I gotta give everybody a warning. Watch out for nasty scammers. I will never contact you or ask you to invest in anything or give financial advice. If someone does that, they are not me, but a scammer. Be careful. Okay, guys? So be careful. A lot of bammers out there. So, guys, go and check out all the linkage down there. You know, Discord is there. The Now Ledger link is down there. Become a channel member, guys. We got a private WhatsApp group. You get access to that. And if you have become a super member or VIP member, do send me a DM with your YouTube handle, with the date you joined, and I'll send you the link, guys. So please do that. I appreciate it. It's not automatic. You gotta let us know. Also, we got a Dogecoin tippy jar, so send them Dogecoin our way. I appreciate it. And once again, guys, get the merch, gear up. I appreciate it. And you know, just want to say much love to everybody out there. Be safe out there. Crypto is a huge jungle right there. Like I said, there's tons of scammers out there. I will never ever contact you. I will never ask you to invest in anything. I will never give you financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own risk management. Remember, it's your money, not my money. And do not listen to YouTubers. Do not listen to influencers. Only listen to yourself and do your own research and do what you feel is right. And never ever follow the advice of a YouTuber. Never follow anybody's advice. You know, sure, you can watch whatever you want to get anecdotal information, but ultimately the decision is yours. So be blessed, be well. I'll absolutely see you in the next one. Be glorious. And if you can't be glorious, have fun doing whatever you do. Love what you're doing. Remember, you know, God's not giving you more time. So make every freaking second count. Hug your wife, hug your kids. Be good to the humans and be good to humanity. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.